Hello, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a contact to 5 favorites on HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this operation, we will go to Phone, Contacts here, the contact we want to add to favorites here, and we will have to use this function here, Favorite. Very easy to do, and our contact is now in favorites, and that's basically it. We can do it another way. For example, we can go first to favorites. Our favorite list is empty, and add existing contact. We have one here, but we can select multiple at once. Add. And it's here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.